Let's learn some animal names. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a zebra. What is this? This is a giraffe. What is this? This is an elephant. What is this? This is a crocodile. What is this? This is a monkey. What is this? This is a rabbit. What is this? This is a sheep. What is this? This is a chimpanzee. What is this? This is a donkey. What is this? This is a goat. What is this? This is a pig. What is this? This is a camel. What is this? This is a deer.